Hey y'all, have you ever wondered what makes Jamaican ginger so special? Well, stick around, because today I'm diving into the amazing health benefits of this spicy, flavorful root. First up, let's talk about digestion. Jamaican ginger is famous for its ability to soothe an upset stomach. It can help reduce nausea, combat indigestion, and even alleviate motion sickness. So, next time you're feeling queasy, maybe reach for some ginger tea. Now let's move on to inflammation. Jamaican ginger is packed with powerful anti-inflammatory properties. This can be a real game changer if you suffer from conditions like arthritis or muscle soreness. Adding a bit of ginger to your diet might just help you feel a little more limber and pain-free. Ever caught a cold and found yourself coughing nonstop? Jamaican ginger to the rescue. This spicy root is a natural expectorant, which means it helps clear out mucus from your respiratory system. A warm ginger and honey tea can be incredibly soothing when you're under the weather. But wait, there's more. Did you know that Jamaican ginger can boost your immune system? It's loaded with antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage. This means better overall health and a stronger defense against illnesses. And for all you fitness enthusiasts out there, let's not forget about metabolism. Jamaican ginger can help rev up your metabolism, aiding in weight management. It increases thermogenesis, which is the process your body uses to burn calories. Plus, it can help curb those pesky cravings. To top it all off, Jamaican ginger has been linked to improved brain function. That's right. Regular consumption can enhance cognitive function and protect against age-related brain decline. It's like giving your brain a little boost of sunshine. So there you have it, folks. Jamaican ginger is not just a flavor-packed spice. It's a powerhouse of health benefits. From easing digestion and reducing inflammation to boosting immunity and enhancing brain function, it's truly a natural wonder. If you enjoyed learning about the benefits of Jamaican ginger, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends and hit that subscribe button for more health tips and tricks. Stay healthy and see y'all next time.